Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today we're highlighting one of Gramma's most cherished calming drinks, chamomile tea. Known for its gentle touch, this floral tea has been used for centuries to soothe the stomach and ease inflammation naturally. If you're feeling a bit tense in your belly or simply want to calm your digestive system the gentle way, this remedy is just what you need. Today's remedy, chamomile tea, a soft, soothing herbal tea that helps relax the gut and reduce inflammation. What you need: 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers and 1 cup of boiling water. How to make it: place the dried chamomile flowers in a cup and pour boiling water over them. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes so the calming properties can fully infuse into the water. Once steeped, strain out the flowers, and your tea is ready to enjoy. Why it works: chamomile is well known for its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. It can help ease an upset stomach, reduce digestive cramps, and calm inflammation throughout the body. With each sip, you're inviting peace and comfort into your system, just like Grandma would want. Try it and stay connected. Give this gentle remedy a try and feel the difference it makes. Don't forget to follow Grandma's Remedies, so you'll always be the first to receive the next soothing wellness tip. Simple steps toward a more balanced, healthier you. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using herbal remedies, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing medical conditions. Thank you for joining Grandma's Remedies today. See you next time, and stay well.